Let's quickly take a look at the way that you fix the Strava GPS drift and Jumpy tracks. Now, if you want to fix this issue, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that you have not enabled any sort of battery saving settings inside of your phone. Also, if your battery saver mode or power saver mode on your device is enabled, then you're likely to face this issue. So make sure you disable this option first of all, and secondly, also make sure that the location setting is enabled inside of your device. So always make sure that location is enabled, and also make sure that Strava has the location permission granted. To ensure that, head over to the Strava settings, head over to permissions, and then make sure that the location is set to allow. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to prevent this issue. But however, there are a few more things that you can try out, which is the warming up of the GPS. So when you open up Strava, you'll need to wait out at least 1 to 2 minutes with clear sky views before hitting record, and which allows the satellite to lock in. So you should not start your recording immediately. Once you open up Strava, you need to wait out a couple of minutes so that the satellite can lock in the signals. Also make sure that you carry your phone on your arm mount or on your handlebar rather than deep inside of your pockets. So if you do have the habit of putting your device inside of your pockets, this may also prevent accurate data and will have issues of drift and jumpy inside of your tracks. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. Do give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.